We got a Ford. Oh, nope, it's a Toyota 4Runner. It has a misfire, but it doesn't have any codes. This is my suspected cylinder. It doesn't have the burn time. Crack the throttle real quickly. Let's move to another one. That would be number. This is a waste spark ignition. So one side fires the other way, and one side fires this way. That one has a burn time right there. I like that. Then I'm gonna move this to the other one, and we gotta click invert. That one has the hash. Obviously the engine is shaking. This is cylinder number whatever it is. So I'm not after that one. I am after, let's see this next one right here. This is the other cylinder. Okay. Move to my suspect cylinder here. Right there. I don't like that. It's too clean. So it'd be cylinder number 2. Okay, after that couple of revs, the check engine light came on, which is kind of good. I might have direction here. Now I have code, and let's see. Okay, I think it's gonna be the number 2, based on my scope. We'll find out. See? Yep, the scope. The scope was not lying. PO302, cylinder number 2. So, yep. We're gonna check further. I'll shut this thing off and then hook up. If we have spark, hook up my ignition tester. Make sure we got spark here. But I'm also worried about, let me see something here. Sometimes they just arc from one side to the other. Like, I'll show you guys. Like this one is a red flag to me right here. This section here, but that's not cylinder number 2. Also this section here, it's rubbing against the valve cover. That's not number 2 though. So what I'm gonna do is gonna pull this out. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna attach a modified plug on this one, but oh shoot, I think we found it. See this area right here? That looks like it's arcing on the spark plug tubes. We'll see. Gonna put a modified plug on it. Let's see, we can actually watch that. The scope. Yeah, guys. So I'm hooking up a modified spark plug. Set it to 20 kVs. And hook it up to ground somewhere. Ground. See. Please don't arc at me. Okay, gotta start the beagle up. Sick. So we're gonna start it here. See what happens. Okay. That is firing good. So that's actually firing good, but with this thing here, with that hole on the spark plug wire, watch what it does. That is basically arcing on the spark plug tubes inside where the spark plugs are. So that's what's happening. See where the edge of the modified plug is not firing anymore? Because it's not reaching the spark plug that well. Let me lift it up. And it fires normal. Light show! There's a light show! So that's what's basically happening. And yep, so that's how you use a scope to isolate a misfire on a spark plug wire setup. And yeah, earlier it doesn't even have a check engine light. Now I do, so this is very accurate. Thanks you guys for watching. I'm going to learn something. So to fix this, you're just gonna replace the spark plugs, but we're probably gonna do spark plugs and spark plug wires as it was arcing. Alright guys. See you guys in the next one. See you guys in the next one. Alright guys. So this is a bonus footage. If you have a incandescent test light, you can put the other end of it to ground, and while it's firing you can kind of run the lead until you find that. That's another test that you guys could do with a test light. Peace.